and welcome to an introduction to Blendspace from Miss Bowen, your favorite 7th grade math teacher. You will use this Blendspace to work through a lesson on solving multi-step equations, and hopefully this introduction will help you navigate through the site with ease. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to notice is that there are actually numbers here that tell you the order in which you are to go through the different resources. You will also notice that each resource has a different icon here that lets you know what type of resource you have. For instance, here in Resource 1 and Resource 2, you have an image here that looks like a mountain and a sunshine. Anytime you see this icon, you will know that the resource that is available is an actual image. Also, I want you to notice this link here. Anytime you see this icon in the Blendspace lesson, you'll know that it will take you to a different web page. I'm going to scroll down here. Okay. So, let's click here to our first image. And in order to get to the image, if you click on the picture that you see here, you can click and it will not take you to the image. You have to click the icon of the image. And then you'll see here, this is your first piece, your first resource, and it just goes through the different parts of the equation just as a reminder. You can X back out there at the top right to go to your next resource. Your next resource, if you notice, is also a picture. You can click on this icon to take you to that picture. Our third resource that you see here has a link to it. So you click on this link and you'll be prompted to open a new tab because this web page needs to go to the actual direct URL in order to take you to this page. So you just click this blue button that says Open in New Tab. And if you click here, you'll notice that it takes you to that web page. Okay? And then we'll go back to our Blendspace. I want you to also notice these arrows that are visible here on the right-hand side and also on the left-hand side. If you click these arrows, it will also take you through the different resources. So now we're at resource number 4 and resource 5, 6, and so on. And then go back to the top right corner if you would like to click back to the resources on the Blendspace page. Okay, so anytime that you need to go to a different resource, you can scroll all the way through and click the actual icon here to take you to that Blendspace resource. Alright, thank you so much for joining me, Miss Bowen, your favorite 7th grade math teacher, and remember, never quit calculating.